In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim warranty for a mobile on Amazon. Here's the game plan. We'll find your phone order on Amazon, grab the invoice you'll need as proof of purchase, decide who should handle your claim, and then reach out for help if anything gets stuck. Keep your Amazon login handy and make sure you know which phone order we're talking about. Start by going to Amazon and signing in. At the top right, open returns and orders and select the order for your mobile phone. On the order details page, confirm three things: the purchase date, the seller's name, and the warranty information. Warranty details are usually listed on the product page description and will also show on your invoice. Most new mobiles come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, but always check the listing in case it's refurbished, imported, or covered by a seller's own policy. Next, download your invoice, which is essential for any claim. From returns and orders, open the order, choose invoice, and download the PDF. Save it in a safe place, ideally in cloud storage, and consider printing a copy. The invoice is your proof of purchase and often includes the device's IMEI or model information that service centers will check. Now decide who handles the warranty. If you're still within Amazon's return window, the easiest path is to use return or replace items from your order page. Select a reason such as defective or not working and choose a replacement or a refund based on your preference. Before sending anything back, remove your SIM card and memory card, back up your data, and don't include personal accessories unless Amazon asks for them. If the Amazon return window has closed, you'll use the manufacturer warranty. Contact the brand's official service center and bring your phone, the Amazon invoice, and a warranty card if one came in the box. The service team will diagnose the issue and repair or replace the device according to policy. Keep in mind that accidental or liquid damage usually isn't covered. Make sure the IMEI on the phone matches your invoice and ask for a job sheet or service ticket for your records. If your phone is covered by a third-party seller warranty, open your order and click Get Product Support to message the seller. Describe the problem clearly, include short photos or a video if helpful, and share when the issue occurs and what troubleshooting you've already tried. Keep all communication inside Amazon for tracking. If a seller isn't responding, the warranty terms aren't clear, or you need help finding a service center, go to Help, then Customer Service, then Your Orders, select your phone, and request a chat or call. Explain what you've done so far and attach the invoice. With these steps, you'll be set to claim your warranty smoothly.